Installing software on Linux. Can't find apps? Apps launch slow? Fix is here. Try Linyaps. It's a cross-system package manager like Flatpak, but faster, more stable to launch. Linyaps runs on 3 components: Packager Builder, Runtime Box, Controller locally. Installing them, daily desktop apps get easier. Today I'll share 2 ways to install Linyaps. First, install the officially maintained version. Take Ubuntu 24.04 as an example. Follow the official guide. Only 3 commands. Just run. Step 1. Add the software repo. Step 2. Update software list. Step 3. Install components.
Later.
Done. So easy. The other way, version by Linyaps generic at Linux SIG. Go to the official site. Find your version's download link. Unzip after download. One-click install all.
A few moments later.
Installed. So easy. Once Linyaps is set up, you can smoothly install and run Linyaps apps. Enough said, you got it. Check this out. Linyaps supports these distros too. You'll find it right on the Linyaps community homepage. Alright, that's the video. See you next time.